Hey everyone, this is Ehsan Momeni. If you're a network engineer who wants to finally start network automation, but you don't know where to begin, this video is for you. I'm excited to introduce my brand new course, Network Automation Essentials, a complete beginner guide. This course is built specifically for beginners, even if you have zero coding experience, even if you've never written a Python script in your life. We start from absolute zero and step by step, we move together toward real practical automation skills that you can use in real world networks. In this course, you're not going to learn theory for the sake of theory. You're going to learn real world network automation the same way automation is done inside modern organizations today. We cover the entire foundation you need, for example, Python for network engineers, APIs and structured data formats, automating device using SSH, netconf, and restconf, building configuration templates using Jinja 2 templates, and also Ansible automation for real network tasks. And also we will cover testing and validation using PyATS. And finally, an introduction to NetDevOps with Git and CI/CD concepts. This is the complete beginner roadmap I wish I had when I started. And this course is perfect for network engineers, NOC engineers, CCNA and also CCNP students, system engineers, and also anyone who wants to start automation but feels overwhelmed. If you know the basics of networking, things like IP addressing, VLANs, routing basics, switching, and also using SSH, you're ready for this course. You do not need to know Python. You do not need any programming background, and also you do not need prior automation experience. You just need a laptop, internet, and a willingness to learn. And by the end of this course, you will be able to write Python scripts to interact with network devices, work with JSON, YAML, and real API responses, and also send API requests to routers, switches, and firewalls. And also build dynamic configs using Jinja 2 templates. And also you can automate any device that you have in your network. For example, Cisco, Juniper, and also Fortinet devices using Ansible, run automated pre-checks and post-checks with PyATS, and also use Git and something like GitLab or GitHub like a real NetDevOps engineer and build a complete end-to-end automation workflow from scratch. This means you won't just watch automation, you will do automation. At the end of the course, you'll build a real final project. This includes device inventory, Jinja 2 templates, Ansible playbooks, Python scripts, API calls, PyATS validation tests, and also a complete Git repository. This project becomes your real portfolio, something you can show on LinkedIn or your, for example, GitHub profile using job interviews or even implement in your company. I designed this course because I've seen the same problem again and again. What is the problem? The problem is this. Network engineers want to start automation, but they don't know how or where to begin. Some courses are too advanced, some are too theoretical, some skip the basics, and many don't provide real-world guidance. So I decided to build a beginner course that is simple, structured, practical, and focused on real tools you will actually use in production environments. This course will give you the confidence to take your first steps into automation and build a strong foundation for your future. If you're ready to start your automation journey the right way, if you are ready to learn modern skills that every network engineer needs today, and if you're ready to level up your career, then join Network Automation Essentials, a complete beginner guide course. All the details and the enrollment link are in the description, and I can't wait to see you inside the course, and I can't wait to help you build your automation skills from the ground up. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the first session.